Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ummi Syakira binti Muhammad Suleh and my matric number is 264640. In this video, I would like to explain about case 5, which is tax for the Chief Financial Officer, whether Pzifer should acquire the Allergan. Before I go more further, I would like to explain about the case and also the individual involved in this case. This case involves of two companies, which are the first one is Pzifer and the second is Allergan. Pzifer was pharmaceutical business and was founded in New York and had headquarters there also. Meanwhile, Allergan also pharmaceutical business and had headquarters in New Jersey, but the tax residency are in Ireland. So, here is the issue of the case. Pzifer want to make a big move for the company as the revenue had been declined over the last 3 years. Referring to the consolidated statement of income of Pzifer, it showed the declining of net income from year 2013 to 2014, where from 11,410 to 9,120. The declining is at amount of 2,290. Thereby, Pzifer need to do something in order to increase back the net income. They will plan to reduce the tax whereby they need to make merging with another company. As the goal is to raise the net income, Pzifer need to merge and deal with a company that will improve the financial performance and high competitive position. So, the questionable in this case are whether Pzifer should stop or proceed the merger with Allergan company or not, and whether they will benefit for the tax saving in the future. Why Pzifer should make merging with Allergan are due to some causes. Firstly, Pzifer will get the opportunity to lower worldwide tax rate through the method called tax inversion. Tax inversion is a way where the company merging with another company that was already a resident of a low tax rate country and then using the lower tax rate country as the tax resident for the combined entity. In this case, Pzifer will have opportunity to moving the tax residence of operation to Ireland, which is the Allergan tax residency. Therefore, Pzifer just need to pay the tax using the tax rate of Ireland, which is lower than tax rate United States. Pzifer worldwide tax rate was estimated drop from 25% to 18% in the first year alone. The second reason why Pzifer need to merge with Allergan is because of Allergan characteristic. Instead of high lower tax rate, Allergan also the company that target rapidly growing pharma and pharma technology brand. This will give many positive impact to Pzifer in the future. The third causes is Pzifer will obtain all their mergers company revenue and profit. It is because the partner merger company will become the subsidiary for them. In this case, Pzifer will obtain all Allergan revenue and profit that were expected at amount of total $68 million and $21 billion respectively. The fourth causes is opportunity to make tax planning such as transfer pricing. Transfer pricing is the strategy that moving a portion from operation into the foreign country. This way will enable lower effective tax rate and having more income in foreign country while incur more expense in United States to reduce the tax payable. So, here is the part of the alternative solution in this case. I was given two alternative solutions for the Chief Financial Officer. The first one is Pzifer will not merge with Allergan company, and the second is Pzifer should merge with Allergan company. If companies are insisted to take solution 1, they will pay the tax based on the effective tax rate of United States, which is at 40%. Plus, they no need to move their operation to the island. Meanwhile, if companies are choosing to merge the company with Allergan, Pzifer had two options for their residency. They can choose either want to remain the residency in United States or move the residency to the island. If Pzifer choose merger, they need to pay the tax based on the island tax rate, which is at 12.5%, and it was very lower than United States tax rate. Recommendation solution. Based on the case, I would like to suggest Pzifer to continue the merger with Allergan company because Pzifer will get much benefit from the merger. If Pzifer change the operation to the island, Pzifer will get the benefit of lower tax rate, which is only at 12.5% instead of 40% at United States. According to the regulation, the company will pay income tax in the country where profit were earned, no matter the location of their tax residency. The next benefit is, like I mentioned before, Pfizer will get the revenue and profit of Allergan, and this thing will help Pfizer engage with the large players in the pharmaceutical and biotech industry. In addition, Allergan are fulfilling the requirement of Pfizer, as both of the company are having some business, and it will make easier of Pfizer to handle and control. The most important benefits are increasing the amount of tax saving in the future. Tax saving in this case is referring to the amount of differentiation between payment tax using tax rate of 40% and 12.5%. How much company can save if paid 12.5%? This is the calculation of the tax saving of future profit if Pfizer pay the tax based on the tax rate 12.5%. Refer to the figure, the amount of tax saving are slightly decreased each by year at the beginning. For example, in the first year, the tax saving on future profit is at $5.58 billion, and the second year, the amount is $5.38 billion. The amount is decreasing, but in a small portion. However, starting from year 10 onward, the amount of tax saving rise with consistent each by year. This means that the amount of tax saving can reach into $152 billion as targeted, because Pfizer already had a tax saving for repatriated at amount of $20.35 billion. It was not possible for Pfizer to reach the tax saving at $152 billion. Tax saving is crucial as the part to rise and improve the financial performance. These merger decisions are relatable with the SWOT analysis that I made. This tranche for the merger can increase the financial performance, especially in the net income section. Second, the merger may reduce the tax payable of Pfizer. For the weaknesses, the tax rate at the foreign country is not consistent because the rate follow the current situation. It might be high for the only certain year. For the opportunity of the merger, it will help Pfizer to improve and enter the world market. Other than that, the business of Pfizer will grow and well known as they expand their business operation to another place. The last analysis, which is trade, is the competitive among the company in the same industry. Other than that, the government also can become trade as they may be amend and change the rule and regulation in the future. This negation also very consistent with the dependency theory, which this theory states to understand the economic development, where Pfizer should understand the development at Ireland before make operation there. Ireland is one of the developed and growth country where it was economic free. It shows that although Pfizer make move the operation there, they will easy to generate profit and can sustain their operation there too. So, before I end up this video, I would like to give my conclusion. For the conclusion, I will suggest that Pfizer company should acquire the Allergan company because it will increase the tax saving for the future profit, and also it can increase the financial performance of the Pfizer. That's all from me. Thank you.